What's up, everyone? In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best electric pressure washer to help you find the perfect mix of power, performance, and value. Welcome to Best Product, where we make your buying decisions easier. Let's get started. Starting off at number 5, we have the Yeryork electric pressure washer. The Yeryork electric pressure washer delivers serious cleaning power that makes tough outdoor jobs faster and easier than ever. This reliable machine from Yeryork blasts away stubborn dirt, grime, and stains from cars, patios, driveways, fences, and more with its high-performance motor and strong flow rate of up to 2.5 gallons per minute. You will appreciate how stable and easy to move this pressure washer is thanks to its 4 360-degree rotating wheels. Each wheel has a locking caster, so you can keep the unit secure even on slopes or uneven ground without worrying about it tipping over while you work. The universal leak-proof connections use 14mm threaded connectors that screw on tightly and stay compatible with a wide range of hoses. This design prevents frustrating leaks and gives you a solid, reliable setup every time you use it. The stainless steel lance stands up to higher water pressure much better than plastic ones, giving you excellent durability and long-lasting performance even with regular heavy use. Switching between cleaning tasks is quick and simple with the 4 easy-to-install metal nozzles. You can change spray patterns instantly to handle everything from gentle rinsing to powerful dirt removal. The included foam cannon makes applying detergent fast and efficient, boosting your cleaning results on different surfaces. With a 20-foot power cord and a long 33-foot hose, the Yeryork electric pressure washer gives you plenty of reach to tackle large areas without constantly moving the unit or dealing with extension cords. The overall build feels sturdy and well thought out for real-world use around your home. Everything about this pressure washer focuses on making your cleaning projects more effective and less tiring. From its powerful motor and stable wheeled base to the durable stainless steel lance, versatile nozzles, and extended reach, it handles a wide variety of outdoor cleaning tasks with confidence. Overall, the Yeryork electric pressure washer combines strong cleaning performance, smart stability features, leak-proof connections, and practical accessories into one dependable package. It is a great tool that helps you keep your outdoor spaces looking clean and fresh with less effort. Next, at number 4, is the Toyqqeow electric pressure washer. The Toyqqeow electric pressure washer delivers serious cleaning power that makes tough outdoor jobs feel quick and satisfying. This heavy-duty machine packs up to 5,000 PSI of pressure and a strong 4.0 gallons per minute flow rate, so you can blast away stubborn dirt, grime, and mud from decks, driveways, vehicles, patios, and more while using water efficiently. What makes the Toyqqeow really versatile is the 5 cleaning modes with 4 quick connect spray tips. The 0-degree tip handles high and hard-to-reach spots with intense focused power. The 15-degree nozzle tackles tough jobs, the 25-degree tip works great for general cleaning, and the 40-degree nozzle is perfect for more delicate surfaces like windows and glass. You also get a dedicated soap nozzle that sprays rich foam to loosen grease and dirt before rinsing. Switching between tips is fast and simple, so you can adapt to any surface without slowing down. The long-reach design is a game-changer. You get a full 33 feet of high-pressure hose and a 33-foot power cord, letting you clean 2-story homes, large driveways, or spacious backyards without constantly moving the unit. No more tripping over short cords or dragging the machine around mid-job. Just remember to bleed the air from the hose before starting to get full pressure right away. Toyqqeow thought of everything for everyday convenience. The stable wheels and telescopic handle make it easy to roll the unit around your yard. A built-in hose reel keeps everything tidy when not in use, while the metal adapter and handy storage hooks hold the gun, cord, and soap bottle neatly in place. The humanized design feels sturdy yet portable, so you can move it exactly where you need it without hassle. Safety and reliability are built right in with the total stop system that automatically shuts off the pump when you release the trigger, saving energy and reducing wear. The IPX5 waterproof rating lets you clean confidently even in damp conditions without worrying about the machine. The Toyqqeow electric pressure washer combines raw power, smart features, and thoughtful details into one tough, reliable package. From the powerful motor and multiple spray options to the long reach and easy storage, it turns big cleaning projects into manageable tasks you can actually enjoy finishing. Whether you are maintaining your home, washing your car, or refreshing outdoor spaces, this pressure washer gets the job done faster and more effectively, so you can spend more time enjoying your clean surroundings. Coming in at number 3, we have the Imdot electric pressure washer. The Imdot electric pressure washer brings powerful cleaning performance and smart modern design together in one easy-to-use machine. This 5000 PSI model from Imdot stands out with its sleek hydrodynamic green chassis that looks great while delivering professional-level results for all your outdoor cleaning tasks. It handles a wide variety of surfaces with complete confidence. The 4 quick connect nozzles in 0 degree, 15 degree, 25 degree, and 40 degree patterns let you switch instantly between intense spot cleaning and gentler rinsing. You also get a handy extension wand and a foam cannon that makes applying detergent fast and effective, so cars, decks, driveways, fences, and patios all come clean with less effort. Setup and storage feel thoughtfully designed. The Instant Connect nozzles and tool-free hose storage system make getting started and packing up much quicker. The 33-foot hose combined with the 34-foot power cord gives you a total cleaning radius of 67 feet, so you can reach across large areas, multi-story spots, and long driveways without constantly moving the unit. The triple-layer reinforced rubber hose stays flexible and kink-resistant, while the brass fittings keep everything leak-proof and durable. Safety and convenience are built right in with the total stop system that automatically reduces wear and tear when you release the trigger. This not only extends the life of the pressure washer, but also gives you peace of mind during every job. Compared to gas models, this electric pressure washer runs much quieter, produces no harmful fumes, and stays friendlier for both you and the environment. The sturdy construction feels reliable for regular home use, and Imdot backs it with a 2-year warranty for extra confidence. Overall, the Imdot electric pressure washer combines strong 5000 PSI cleaning power, versatile nozzle options, extended reach, smart storage features, and eco-friendly operation into one impressive package. Its sleek design, easy handling, and thoughtful details make tackling tough outdoor messes faster and more satisfying than ever. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Greenworks electric pressure washer. The Greenworks electric pressure washer delivers reliable medium-duty cleaning power that makes maintaining your home and outdoor spaces much easier and more satisfying. With 2100 PSI at 1.2 gallons per minute, it provides the perfect balance of strength and control for a wide range of jobs like cleaning fencing, decking, concrete patios, siding, sidewalks, patio furniture, and small driveways. What makes this machine especially convenient is its no-maintenance design. There is no gas, no oil, no spark plugs, no air filters, and no pull cord to struggle with. Simply push the button to start and you are ready to go. This electric pressure washer keeps things simple so you can spend more time cleaning and less time on upkeep. Greenworks includes everything you need right away. The package comes with a pressure washer gun, a 25-degree nozzle, a gentler 40-degree nozzle for delicate surfaces, a turbo nozzle for tougher spots, a soap applicator, and a 20-foot tangle-free hose. The Quick Connect system lets you switch between nozzles in seconds, making it easy to adapt to different cleaning tasks as you move around your property. Safety and practicality are well covered with the 35-foot power cord and built-in GFCI plug that automatically protects you and your home by shutting off power if needed. The telescoping handle pulls out for easy transport across your yard and collapses neatly for compact storage when the job is done. The Greenworks electric pressure washer feels well-built and user-friendly, striking a great balance between performance and everyday convenience. Its electric power, solid cleaning ability, and thoughtful accessories help you tackle regular outdoor maintenance quickly and effectively. Whether you are refreshing your deck, washing down siding, or cleaning patio furniture, this pressure washer gets the job done efficiently so you can enjoy your clean outdoor spaces with less effort. And finally, our top pick for the Westinghouse electric pressure washer. The Westinghouse electric pressure washer delivers strong cleaning power that makes tough outdoor jobs quicker and more satisfying. This reliable machine from Westinghouse combines 2,100 maximum PSI and 1.76 maximum gallons per minute of water flow with 1,800 rated PSI and 1.2 rated gallons per minute, giving you the perfect balance of force and coverage for everyday home cleaning. It handles a wide variety of surfaces with ease, including decks, sidewalks, siding, fences, garage floors, cars, and patio furniture. The included soap applicator makes it simple to apply detergent and boost your cleaning results on greasy or grimy areas. Whether you are refreshing your driveway or washing away winter dirt from your vehicle, the Westinghouse pressure washer gets the job done efficiently. The durable design features a hard-working 120-volt electric motor and a long-lasting, maintenance-free axial pump with auto-stop technology. This means the unit only runs when you pull the trigger, saving energy and reducing wear over time. You get consistent performance without the hassle of constant upkeep. What makes daily use feel effortless is how user-friendly and compact it is. With its low 26-inch profile, 5-inch never-flat wheels, and 35-foot GFCI power cord, you can move it around your yard smoothly and reach plenty of space without struggling. The solid construction feels stable and built to last through regular home projects. It comes ready to clean right out of the box with a 20-foot abrasion-resistant Superflex hose, a lightweight high-pressure spray gun, a wand, and 3 quick connect nozzles. Switching between different spray patterns is fast and simple, so you can match the right pressure to each task. The hose is flexible yet tough, and the whole setup stays organized and easy to handle. The Westinghouse electric pressure washer is also versatile and ready for future upgrades. It works well with additional accessories like surface cleaners, undercarriage cleaners, and foam cannons thanks to the standard M22 fittings. Overall, the Westinghouse electric pressure washer brings together solid cleaning power, smart convenience features, durable construction, and practical design into one dependable package. Its strong performance and easy handling help you keep your outdoor spaces looking clean and fresh with less time and effort. Ready to power through your toughest cleaning jobs? Check the price link in the description to grab the best deal. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Best Product for more top picks and honest reviews.